In this video, I will show you how to create affiliate accounts on Aweber. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to aweber.com. Then what you need to do to sign up for an affiliate account is actually scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. And when you actually get down to the bottom, you're going to see these different sections down here. Now, if you look underneath the About section, you're going to see something called the Customer Referral Program. So you can see that's just down here. What you want to do is give that a click, and it's going to take you to the page where you can sign up to be an affiliate for Aweber. Now, to start the sign up process, all you need to do is click the orange Start Getting Paid button, and this is going to take you to the form to complete to become an affiliate, or as you can see here, an advocate for Aweber. Now, of course, once you're an affiliate, you can see the benefits of this, which means you get up to 50% recurring referral payments, a dedicated advocate management, variety of creative assets, customer referral tracking, no cost at all to become an advocate, and you get paid every month. So what you need to do is actually just go ahead and fill in this form here. So you want to start by doing the contact information section, which can involve things like your name and address. Then you would come down and fill out your payment settings. So this is basically how you're going to choose to get paid, which for Aweber is going to be PayPal. So what you want to do is put your PayPal details in there and choose the minimum custom referral payment from here. And also if you're in the US, you need to put your tax ID or SSN. So the final thing you need to do is create a password, which needs to be at least 6 characters, a combination of uppercase and lowercase characters. You need to have at least one number or special character, and the password cannot match your username. After you've entered your password, as you can see, there's an agreement down here for the anti-spam policy. What you can do is click the link here for the customer referral agreement. You can read that if you want to. I've already done that. And once you've done that, just click the orange Create My Free Account button. At this point, a pop-up's going to appear asking you to confirm your PayPal account email address. So double check your PayPal email, just to make sure you do get paid correctly. And then tick the boxes here. So the first box you tick says I have verified and confirmed that your email here is a valid PayPal account. And the second box says I understand that customer referral payments sent to a valid email address cannot be reversed or retransmitted for any reason. And that should I not have access to that account, recovery of such funds would be between myself and PayPal. Additionally, I understand the requirements related to PayPal in the terms of service, which you can read through if you want to, again by clicking the link. So once you're happy with everything, just come and click the confirm button here. And once that's done, you're going to get a confirmation like this. As you can see, it says you're in. Welcome to the Aweber Customer Referral Program. You will receive your ID via email shortly, which you can use to log into your account. And if you want to watch a quick overview on how to get started, there is a quick video here you can watch. But that is pretty much the process to become an affiliate for Aweber. So that's how to create affiliate account on Aweber. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.